अभी तक हमने स्टडी किया फ्री थ्योरी ऑफ free electron theory, in which we have assumed that your potential is fixed or it is equal to zero. But due to this, it cannot explain some phenomena like your resistivity variation with temperature and why there are materials. Some materials are conductors, some are insulator, and some are your semiconductors. So a theory was given which is named as your band theory of solid. As the name suggests, that is the band. Here we have energy levels in the form of your bands. ओके अभी तक हमने फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन में क्या स्टडी किया, आपके पास एनर्जी लेवल्स क्या थे, डिस्क्रीट एनर्जी लेवल्स थे, राइट क्या स्टडी किया था हमने, एनर्जी लेवल्स और डिस्क्रीट, दैट इज दे हैव वैल्यू, क्या वैल्यू थी, एन स्क्वायर एच स्क्वायर और 8 ml स्क्वायर, राइट. सो पुटिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ एन वी फाइंड दैट द लेवल्स आर योर डिस्क्रीट, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट लेवल्स थे आपके पास. लेकिन बैंड थ्योरी में स्टडी करते हैं कि हमारे पास बैंड्स आते हैं, पूरा बैंड होता है. दिस इज वन बैंड ऑफ एनर्जी and we have another band of energy, another band of energy, right? And with this band theory we can classify materials as your conductors, insulators and semiconductors, right? Insulators and semiconductor, क्योंकि हमने अभी तक स्टडी किया है कंडक्टर्स में क्या होता है, आपके वैलेंस और कंडक्शन बैंड जो होते हैं वो ओवरलैप करते हैं, लेकिन कैसे करते हैं, क्या ये जो आपका बेसिक्स है इसका कि ये बैंड्स कैसे फॉर्म हुए, ये अभी तक हमने स्टडी नहीं किया था. तो बैंड थ्योरी में हम स्टडी करेंगे कि आपके पास कैसे क्लासिफिकेशन होती है कंडक्टर्स की, इंसुलेटर्स की और सेमीकंडक्टर मटेरियल्स की. दूसरा हम स्टडी करेंगे आपका एनर्जी जो हमने फॉर्म किया था, वी हैव अनदर फॉर्म एच स्क्वायर ओवर 2m. We have one more formula for energy, that is h cross squared k square by 2m, right? That is, we can study the E variation with your k. Okay, we can study the variation of E variation with your k vector. So using these two phenomena, that is first one is the classification, second one is your variation of your energy with the k. K is your wave vector. Wave vector. Okay. A is your energy, kinetic energy. N is your quantum number. Okay. So we'll start with the Bloch theorem first. First theorem given in the band theory is your Bloch theorem. कई लोग इसको ब्लॉक थ्योरम भी बोलते हैं. We have assumed that in your band theory, we have assumed that your potential, that is potential is not constant according to your band theory, but it is your in the form of periodic function. किसका periodic function है, with distance यानी कि x का, that is v is a function of x. Okay. सॉलिड्स में हम क्या assume करते हैं कि आपके पास atoms regularly arranged है, atoms are regularly arranged in the solid. Okay. So each atom has its valence electrons. हर एक एटम का क्या होगा, हर एक एटम के पास क्या वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होंगे. पॉजिटिव न्यूक्लियस और इलेक्ट्रॉन के बीच में हमारे पास क्या होगा, एक अट्रैक्टिव पोटेंशियल एक्ट करेगा. और इस अट्रैक्टिव पोटेंशियल जो फॉर्म आती है वो आती है आपकी कुछ ऐसी, दैट इज दे हैव वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन हियर, इसके यहाँ पे होंगे कहीं पे वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. तो पोटेंशियल जो एक्सपीरियंस करेगा वो होगा आपके पास इस फॉर्म में. अगर दो एटम्स के बीच में आपके पास डिस्टेंस a है, as we are going in the x direction, that is your x direction, and we are considering a solid material. Okay. तो हम क्या देख रहे हैं कि आपका पोटेंशियल दैट इज योर v is a function of x, right? It is a function of x, but after a distance a, it is again repeating, again after a distance of 2 it is again repeating, right? So we can write that this is f of x plus a at a distance x f of sorry v of x plus a, it is equal to again v of x. Okay, or you can write that at a distance of x plus 2a, that is here we are talking about this point, we can write this as v of x plus a. Okay, or you can write this as f of sorry v of x plus a. अगर हम इसको डिस्टेंस को x मान ले, दिस डिस्टेंस x, बिकॉज हम क्या लिख रहे हैं v of x plus is v of x, so we have again v of x plus a, and v of x plus a again is vx. Okay, so at again this point, that is at a distance of 2a, the potential is again repeating, and at distance of a, potential is your again repeating. So we can say that this potential, that is v of x, is your a periodic potential, that is it is repeating after regular interval, periodic potential, because it is repeating its behavior after a regular interval. और वो regular interval क्या है आपके पास? Regular interval आपके पास lattice constant, that is your a. After regular interval, that is your lattice constant a. Okay, so this is your periodic potential. तो बैंड थ्योरी में हमने अज्यूम किया कि हमारे पास सॉलिड के अंदर जो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स पोटेंशियल एक्सपीरियंस करेंगे वो है आपका एक पीरियोडिक पोटेंशियल है. ठीक, पहले हम क्या अज्यूम कर रहे थे, हमने अज्यूम किया था कि इलेक्ट्रॉन ने क्या पोटेंशियल experience क्या, some constant, or we have taken its as your zero value. Okay, so according to your free electron theory, आपके पास wave equation क्या लिखी थी आपने, that is your Schrodinger equation, that is your Schrodinger equation for your free electron theory. What was that? It was d square psi by dx square. Psi is your wave function of a single electron plus 2m by h cross square into kinetic energy E minus में your potential V goes, but we have taken it as 0 into xi, that is equal to 0. This was according to your free electron theory, when the electron was moving in a constant potential or your zero potential. इसका solution हमने find out किया था. What was it? Was psi x, it was equal to or iota kx. Okay, but there is a potential, there is a potential term here now, that is which is a function of x. So we can write this equation as d psi square by dx square plus v 2m over h cross square into e minus v of x into xi, it is equal to 0. You have to mention this x in the bracket, because from here we can see that is your potential energy is a function of distance, that is x. Okay, so it is compulsory here to write this x in the bracket. And this x is your periodic potential. This is your periodic potential. So इसमें solution क्या था आपका? This was the solution, that is IF is equal to e raised power iota kx. But in this case, we have included a potential here, which is a function of x. So the solution will be of type, that is psi of x, it will be equal to e raised power iota kx into some function u k x. It have values plus minus. Here also we have plus minus values. Okay. So this must be the function of, sorry, this must be the solution of your equation number, let it be 1. Equation number 1. And this potential, this function, that is uk. Uk is a function of x. It is known as your Bloch function. So this whole is known as your Bloch theorem. That is Bloch's theorem. That is, if it states that if a potential is periodic, then it states that is this Bloch theorem states that if the potential is periodic, then the solution of equation, which equation? Your Schrodinger equation. Solution of your equation 1 must be modified. हमने मॉडिफाई की इनिशियली क्या थी हमारे पास इक्वेशन, इनिशियली हमारे पास ये इक्वेशन थी, ये सॉल्यूशन था. अब हमने क्या किया, मॉडिफाई कर दिया विद द मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ सम फंक्शन. मस्ट बी मॉडिफाइड by function u k, which is a function of x. Okay, and this uk, that is this uk which जिससे हमने मल्टीप्लाई करके मॉडिफाई किया सॉल्यूशन, दिस uk मस्ट बी पीरियोडिक. इट मस्ट बी periodic with same periodicity. That is, you can write this as your ukx is equal to uk at x plus a. सेम periodicity का मतलब क्या कि हमारे पास पोटेंशियल की periodicity क्या थी, this was a, that is after a distance of a potential was repeating. So according to Bloch's theorem, this function uk, it must be periodic, that is it must repeat its value after a distance a. Okay, so this was the same periodicity. Okay, this whole is known as your Bloch theorem. Okay, so now we prove this equation. Okay, we have differential, sorry, Schrodinger equation, which was d square psi over dx square plus 2m over h cross square into e minus v of x into xi, that is equal to 0. Okay, so you can see that it is a differential equation of second order. It is a differential equation of second order. So we can write a general solution. हम सॉल्यूशन आपका इसका जनरल लिखते हैं जो हम डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन में यूज करते हैं. सिंपल आप मैथमेटिक्स यूज करेंगे इसको. दैट इज psi of x, it should be equal to a some constant into a function f of x plus b constant into g some function which is of function of x. Okay, a and b are your constant. A and b are your some constants. ये लिखते हैं हम डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन जो आपके सेकंड ऑर्डर की होती है. ऐसे लिखते हैं हम कोई जनरल सॉल्यूशन जो हम फाइंड आउट करते हैं, बाद में हम इनकी वैल्यूज फाइंड आउट करते थे. राइट, सो वी राइट अ जनरल सॉल्यूशन फॉर दिस इक्वेशन. As you know that your potential is periodic, that is it is repeating at a interval. So these function, that is your function, these must be also periodic. So we can write f of x plus a, it should be equal to f of x, right? Or g of x plus a, it should also equal to g of x. Okay. So you can see that if these are the solution, आपके पास f of x और g of x इस इक्वेशन के सॉल्यूशंस है, तो ये भी सॉल्यूशन होंगे, दैट इज f of x plus a और g of x plus a. Okay, that is f of x plus a and g of x plus a should also be a solution of this equation. Okay, so you can write, but we can see that this is a second order equation, second order differential equation. It is a second order differential, so it cannot have more than two solutions. More than two solutions are not possible. अगर आप कंसिडर कर रहे हो कि आपके पास f of x भी सॉल्यूशन है इसका, g of x भी इसका सॉल्यूशन है, और ये भी कह रहे हो कि आपके पास ये फंक्शन क्या पीरियोडिक है, देन this function, that is f of x plus a, these also be a function. So we have four independent function, right? But we have a condition, that is the second order differential equation, so it cannot have more than two solutions. So we write this f of x plus a and g of x plus a in the form of your gx and fx. So we can write f of x plus a, it can be written as some constant alpha 1 into f of x plus some constant alpha 2 into g of x. Similarly, g of x plus a, it can be written as alpha 1, sorry, it should be some beta 1 f of x plus beta 2 g of, g of x into g of x. Question number 2, question number 3. Okay. So, in equation number 2 now, in equation 2, that is psi of x plus a, if we are putting a function at a distance x plus a, then it should be a into f of x plus a plus b into g of x plus a. Right? Now you have find out the values of f of x plus a and g of x plus a. You can write these values here. After putting these values and simplifying, I am writing the final. We get a alpha 1 plus b beta 1 into f of x plus a alpha 2 plus b beta 2 into g of x. Okay. We get a alpha 1 plus b beta 1 into f of x plus a alpha 2 plus b beta 2 into g of x. Right. But you know that function is your periodic, then this is f of psi of x. Okay. Then using this equation number 2 and equation number 4, you can find that, okay, no, this is x plus a. This is x plus a. Now, these values, that is value of alpha 1, beta 1 are chosen such that 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 is a alpha 1 plus b beta 1, it should be equal to some constant lambda into a. Okay, and this a alpha 2 plus b beta 2, it also should equal to some constant lambda into b. Lambda here is your constant. Okay. We have chosen the values of your alpha. We have chosen the values of your a and b. We have chosen the value of a and b such that this value, that is this constant term, sorry, this coefficient of f of x is a function of lambda a, and this coefficient of g of x in this equation number 4, it is a function of some constant lambda into p. Okay, so you can find that if you put these values, that is psi of x plus a, it is equal to lambda a into f of x plus lambda b into your g of x. Okay, this is your equation number 5. Now equation number 2, which was your this equation. Equation number 2 and equation number 4, sorry 5, you find that that is your function at a distance x plus a, it is equal to lambda times your function at x. Okay, that is your wave function which was defined for electron. It has found to be value equal to lambda times your wave function at a distance x. Okay. Okay. Now this term, this equation. Okay. We have defined ए एंड बी के आपके पास हमने ऐसी वैल्यू डिफाइन करी कि हमारे पास ये जो इक्वेशन आ रही है इट शुड बी लैम्डा टाइम्स ऑफ ए एंड लैम्डा टाइम्स ऑफ बी, राइट? सो दिस वैल्यू शुड नॉट बी इक्वल टू जीरो. अगर आपके पास ये वैल्यू जीरो होगी तो आपका वेव फंक्शन क्या आ जाएगा? जीरो. अगर ये जीरो नहीं है तो आपके पास इनके कोफिशिएंट जो है दे मस्ट बी इक्वल टू जीरो. सो राइटिंग द कोफिशिएंट इन द मैट्रिक्स फॉर्म यू फाइंड दैट it have values lambda, sorry, a1 alpha 1 minus lambda into beta 1 into alpha 2 over, sorry, beta 2 minus lambda in the matrix form equal to 0. Okay, now solving this matrix and finding out the values, you get lambda square minus alpha 1 plus beta 2 into lambda plus alpha 1 beta 2 minus alpha 2 beta 1, equation number 6. ओके,
मैंने इक्वेशन 6 एक बार दोबारा बताना है, मैट्रिक्स कैसे बनाया?
आपके पास क्या है अल्फा, ये आपके पास एक मैट्रिक्स, आप इसको सोल्व कैसे करोगे? दो इक्वेशन है आपके पास, राइट? दो इक्वेशन को सोल्व करने के लिए हम मैट्रिक्स फॉर्म यूज कर सकते हैं। ओके, ये कांस्टेंट जो है अल्फा ए और बी आपके पास, दीज आर टू बी नॉन जीरो, they can be zero, so these coefficient must be have values equal to zero. So solving this in the matrix form, आपको इसको matrix form में solve करना है, cross multiplying and solving you get that alpha 1 minus lambda into beta 2 minus lambda minus में beta 1 alpha 2, it is equal to zero. Now solving and cross multiplying, sorry, multiplying, and we get alpha 1 beta 2 minus alpha 1 lambda, sorry, it will be minus lambda into beta 2 plus lambda square minus में beta 1 alpha 2 is equal to 0. Or you can write this term forward, that is lambda 2, and we have a lambda here. तो माइनस कॉमन लिया आपने, बचा क्या? अल्फा 1 प्लस बीटा 2 इंटू लैम्डा माइनस में बीटा 1 अल्फा 2 और दिस टर्म प्लस अल्फा 1 बीटा 2. ये लिखा मैंने, क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 आ गया आपके पास. ओके,
ओके,
नाउ वी हैव अ, आपके पास इक्वेशन क्या थी? डी स्क्वायर साई बाय डी एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस में ट्वाइस एम ई ओवर एच क्रॉस स्क्वायर इंटू ई माइनस पी ऑफ एक्स इंटू जाई, इट इज इक्वल टू 0. यू हैव रिटन दिस. ओके, आपके पास क्या है? कोई भी इक्वेशन, जैसे आपके पास सॉल्यूशन होता है किसी भी इक्वेशन का, दैट इज वी हैव सॉल्यूशन हियर जी एक्स एंड एफ एक्स. किसी भी इक्वेशन का जो सॉल्यूशन होता है उस इक्वेशन को सेटिस्फाई करना चाहिए. द सॉल्यूशन मस्ट सेटिस्फाई this equation, that is you can say that this gx and fx independently must satisfy this equation. So you can write d square g of x, आपने क्या किया यहाँ पे y को रिप्लेस कर दिया gx से, क्योंकि gx क्या है? इस इक्वेशन का सॉल्यूशन है. So putting this value here you get this equation, that is psi is replaced by a function gx. Similarly you can write this for f of x. We have f of x into dx square प्लस में 2mh क्रॉस into e minus v of x into this is f of x. Okay, now we have gx and fx. इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर दो आप f of x से और इसको कर दो g of x से. क्योंकि ये हम सब क्यों कर रहे हैं? क्योंकि हमने प्रूव करना है कि वेव फंक्शन जो है, सॉल्यूशन जो इसका, दैट इज e रेज़ पावर आयोटा kx into uk into x. हमने ये प्रूव करना है अल्टीमेटली. तो हम वेव फंक्शन को ऐसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे कि हमारे पास ये वाली टर्म आ जाए. अभी तक हमने वेव फंक्शन क्या फाइंड किया है? x प्लस ए, इट इज लैम्डा टाइम्स और जाई एक्स. ठीक है, इसलिए हम इतना सब कैलकुलेशन कर रहे हैं. नाउ मल्टीप्लाई दिस gx by f of x and this equation by g of x and subtracting. आप इनको सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे तो ये वाली टर्म्स क्या हो जाएंगी आपके पास? कैंसिल हो जाएंगी ये वाली, क्योंकि यहाँ पे भी f of x और g of x और यहाँ पे भी f of x और g of x. तो हमारे पास क्या बचेगा यहाँ पे? वी रिमेन विद योर f of x into d square g of x by dx square minus g of x into d f of x over dx square, that is equal to 0, right? You can also write this equation as d by dx of f of x into d square gx over dx square minus, sorry, it will be only one, d dx into g of x into d f of x over dx it is equal to 0। आप इस डबल डिफरेंशिएशन है यहाँ पे क्या कर सकते हैं इसको, डी बाई डी एक्स ऑफ एफ ऑफ एक्स डी जी बाई डी एक्स माइनस जी एक्स इंटू डी एफ बाई डी एक्स लिख सकते हो। कि आप डिफरेंशिएट करोगे तो हमारे पास कुछ टर्म्स आएंगे कॉमन, उनको आप कैंसिल आउट कर सकते हो, हमारे पास अल्टीमेटली ये क्वेश्चन आ जाएगी। ठीक है, एंड वी नो दैट द डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ अ सम टर्म, if this is equal to 0, then the term is your constant. The term inside the differentiation is your constant. So this equation will be equal to some constant, that is f of x into d by dx of your g of x minus gx into d by dx of f of x function. It should be equal to some your constant term. And this term, that is f of x into dg by dx into, sorry, minus g minus gx into f of x. This is known as Wronskian. Wronskian. Wronskian of solutions. Okay. This form, that is first function into differentiation of second minus में second function into differentiation of first, it is known as your Wronskian. And we find that this Wronskian, that is w of x, is your some constant here. Okay. Now we have, हमने क्या assume किया था, that is f of x plus a, it is equal to alpha 1 times your f of x plus alpha 2 times your g of x, right? Similarly, we have find that g of x plus a, it is equal to beta 1 f of x plus beta 2 into g of x. Okay. So if we find this in the Wronskian form, that is if we find f of x plus a into d by dx of g of, sorry, g of x plus a minus g of x plus a into d by dx of your f of x plus a. अगर हम f of इसको अगर x plus a के टर्म्स में लिखे in the terms of x plus a, it will be like this, and we know that f of x plus a have values this and g of x plus a have values this. Okay, put करते हैं इनकी values, f of x plus a is your alpha 1 f of x plus alpha 2 g of x, right, into differentiation of this term, we get beta 1 d by dx of this f of x plus beta 2 into d by dx of your gx, okay, minus g of x क्या है यहाँ पे, putting for g of x here, we get minus beta 1 f of x plus beta 2 g of x into differentiation of x plus a, इसका differentiation कर दो, it will be alpha 1 d f of x by dx plus alpha 2 d by dx of g of x. Okay. आप इनको क्रॉस इनमें मल्टीप्लाई करके फर्दर सोल्व करोगे हर एक टर्म को, आपके पास फाइनल सॉल्यूशन आएगा, इसका फॉर्म आएगा, इट विल बी अल्फा 1 बीटा 2 माइनस अल्फा 2 बीटा 1 होल मल्टीप्लाइड बाय योर f of x into d by dx of your g of x minus g of x into d by dx of f of x. Okay, and this is your, we have defined this is your Wronskian at point x. Okay, this is also in the form of Wronskian. Okay, this was this was also your Wronskian in the form of w of x plus a. So we find the Wronskian, that is wx plus a. It is equal to alpha 1 beta 2 minus alpha 2 beta 1 times the Wronskian at your distance x. Okay. So we have till now find that is solution, your sorry wave function at x is equal to a, it is equal to lambda times of xi of x. And also we have find that Wronskian is x plus a, it is equal to alpha 1 beta 2 minus alpha 2 beta 1 times the Wronskian at x is equal to a. And also we have find out equation, that is we have equation lambda square minus जो हमने मैट्रिक्स फॉर्म से सॉल्व करी थी वो आई थी आपके पास दिस इक्वेशन lambda 2 into lambda minus beta 2 into lambda minus sorry plus alpha 1 beta 2 minus alpha 2 beta 1, that is equal to 0. Okay, so we will use these three equations in the next lecture to derive the Bloch theorem. That's it for today's lecture. We will discuss further in the next lecture.